Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to first thread a bobbin on a traditional sewing machine and also thread your needle. They're two pretty basic steps and are the same for just about every sewing machine. Okay, first step is to plug it in. Second step is to turn on the switch, and usually a light comes on for better visibility. On most sewing machines, this bottom part just comes off pretty easily, unhinges, and there will be another lever, and down here is where the bobbin is located. So these all are pretty similar from sewing machine to sewing machine, but you just figure out how to pull it out, and then inside will be a plastic, sometimes metal, bobbin. And this needs to be threaded to complete your sewing experience. So today I'm going to use this gray thread, and we start by putting it on the top of our sewing machine, and it's pretty self-explanatory. A lot of sewing machines have diagrams on what you should do depending on what task you're performing. So this one, for threading the bobbin, it tells me just to wrap it around this little knob right here. So you take it, and then there's another diagram up here. So looking at this diagram, you can see that the thread and the bobbin will be moving in this direction, meaning you kind of have to start your bobbin off by threading it that same way. So I'm just going to wrap a small piece of this thread around the bobbin just to get it going. Okay, then we have this attached, and I like to tighten to make sure the string is and then when we press the pedal, normally the needle down here will move like so. So on this specific sewing machine, you move the bobbin this way, and that then triggers it to spin this, which will thread the bobbin. So going like that, it's pretty easy. You just step on the pedal and it does it. And depending on how much you're using of that thread, you would do it more full or less full. So I'm going to switch that back over, pull off the bobbin, and usually sewing machines also have a cutting, a thread cutter located on the sewing machine, so that's just on the side for mine. I'm going to take that off, and then I'll insert it back into our metal compartment down here. You kind of just put it into whatever groove is there, and then I'll place it back in. And all you do is thread it just underneath this metal piece right here, which every sewing machine will tell you to do. Okay, now we're going to move over to threading the needle. So I'm going to push this all back up, get it situated. Okay, so you grab the thread, and based on this diagram now, this will tell you how to thread the needle. And this one's also very self-explanatory. It has it numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back down to the needle. So I'll start by what it says. You loop it through here, then you loop it around. Okay, then located inside here, you can usually see that there's going to be a hook, and you have to hook your thread around that. So to be able to move that hook and the needle, we have a small knob on the side. It usually is on the right side, but wherever it's located, you would move that, and fairly easily you can loop your thread. We've reached this point. This is probably the hard part, and you should probably get your glasses on if you've got something like that, because it's all pretty hard to see. So I'm just going to dampen that so that there's a nice straight edge. And thread the needle, put the thread underneath the foot, pull, have a decent amount of thread behind your sewing machine, and you're finished. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you now know how to thread a sewing machine.